Hello guys, good morning all of you. Have a nice day and welcome back to our YouTube channel. One more time we are going to learn new things in this video. After going through this video, you will be able to learn how to use capital letters, when to use capital letters and where to use capital letters. These are the basic things everybody should know. Before we're going to learn English, we should know where to use capital letters is very important aspect for everyone. So, in this video we are going to discuss usage of capital letters. Generally we make mistakes using capital letters because we write capital letters in the place of small letters and we write small letters in the place of capital letters. So these are the basic things that everybody should know. We should not make mistakes while doing that. So let's have a clarity. After watching this video you will have a clarity how to use capital letter and when to use capital letter and where to use capital letter. Capital letters. Before we are going to start a sentence, if you want to write a sentence, you must start with a capital letter. A sentence must be started with a capital letter. If you want to write a passage, you must be starting with a capital letter. If you want to write a lesson or anything, if you want to write something, the sentence must be started with capital letters. After full stop, every sentence again started with capital letter. So this is very important point that everybody has to keep in this mind while we are writing something. And also, before person names, while we write person names, names of the persons. For example, I want to write Syamkumar. Syamkumar. While I am writing Syamkumar, the first letter of my name is S. It should be in capital and the remaining letters should be in small. And also, if you want to write a city name or a town name or a country name, names of the places, they should be started with a capital letter. For example, if you want to write Hyderabad, the first letter of Hyderabad is H. H should be capital and remaining letters should be in small letters. So, at the same time, while we are writing the pronoun I, first person singular, I, it should ever be in capital letter. I should always be in a capital letter because we should not write small letter for that pronoun. I should be always in capital. And also, while we are writing week names like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like those weeks names, while we are writing weeks names, we must start them with capital letters. At the same time, while we are writing, when we want to write months names like January, February, March, April, they should be started with a capital letter. And also, one more important thing is we must write capital letters before we write the extension of an abbreviation. If you want to write an extension for the given abbreviation, every word of the abbreviation should be started with capital letter. So these are the capital letter rules we must be keeping in our mind while we want to write something. Then we can write perfectly and neatly and beautifully anything in English if you want to keep these rules in our mind. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how to use capital letters in this video. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Please share and subscribe my channel to promote me. Thank you very much. This is your Syamkumar signing off.